Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing, I think, just one of the Miniverse Make It Mini Halloween. This is for this year. There's 4 to collect. 1 is a rare. Now, I ordered 5 of these from MJ's website. They sent me 5 of the exact same ones. And you can tell because whatever's inside is printed on here. So on all of them, you can see it's that like brain in a jar thing. The good news, kind of, is that the rare is rumored to be inside the ones with the brains. There's a couple different hacks I've seen. I've seen that there's a pencil mark like right here. I've seen that there's a pinhole above the little recycle bin, which you can't see on this one. That's why we're going to open it to see. And then the other kind of sign is that they all say A16, but the rare says A21. Those are all just rumors I've seen on various forums, TikTok, all that stuff. So I'm gonna open this one. I will keep these as they are since they're duplicates. And as I've stated before, what I do is when this comes to store at Target, then I could hand pick out the rare and the other 2 that I need, and then I return these. So basically not wasting your money that way, and you're not like harming anything, you know what I mean? Because it's still sealed. So that's what I do. That's my little hack. So let's take the wrapper off and take a look at this one. And it is in fact the brain mold. That's really cool. This, besides the rare cake, this was the one I was most excited about in the series. It's just very unique. We have that, we have some bugs. This is a really cute table. I love the legs. And then it has spider web engraved or imprinted on it. Very cute. Let's look at the checklist. There's always 4 for the seasonals, 1 being a rare. So we have a jelly brain. Looks like the brain is 1 piece. You're going to coat it with a little bit of resin, add some bugs to it, and cure it, and then you can put it inside the container to display. So I love that. There's also zombie cake pops that you can get. That was pretty cute. You ice the cake with the resin, decorate it, cure it, and then you can do the cake pops as well. So that's a pretty easy build. Then we have the vampire drinks. I like the glass and the tray, and we get to see a pomegranate that's very seedy looking. So I'm excited for that. Decorate the rim, add the resin, add the seeds to it. So all really simple builds. And then here is the Corpse Bride wedding cake, which is the ultra rare. So, oh, look at that. They show you doing it in sections. I love that they got a little bit more precise with that, because in the past they're like, do the whole thing. It's totally not going to fall apart or drip or run or anything. Wow, so you got to do every layer piece by piece. I would still do that. I would do 1 layer in several sections, I think, without having it in hand. And then you can put the little jar together. That's very cute. Okay. Is that crooked? No, it's just not in the right way, perhaps. Yeah, no, it is bent. That's the trouble with like the thinner plastic pieces. They're very easy to bend. We have the syrup. They did give us a nozzle, a cake server. Oh, this year it's a little black bat. That's very cute. So those that don't know, goes in here, and then you can put, does that even fit in there? Normally they are designed to snap into the bottom, but there's nothing that I'm seeing to do that with. Interesting. Okay, so let's get to making this one. I'll have a little paper too. How cute. Let's open up our various pieces here and take a look. Okay. So there's this mold that I guess you might be able to make more out of it, because it feels like it's rubbery. I don't know that I would call it silicone, but it's very bendy. Oh, that's cute. The tray says it's alive. And this is a pretty thicker plastic tray, so it's not like the real thin, flimsy ones that we sometimes get. And then this is the brain. Kind of a light bluish purple color. It's got a squish to it. And then it says that you put it in here. I don't know that I want to decorate it in there. It all just kind of depends how runny this resin is. I did see a brief TikTok and it looked like it was pretty thick resin. So you might have time to decorate this without it running everywhere and being very messy. But let me get the gummy bugs open so we can see the variety in there. Oh, that's cute. So these, aren't these ones we did with last year? Didn't we have spiders like this for the haunted house, I think it was? And then the maggots. Okay, I have to think about how I want this designed. They have a couple maggots. What I think I might do is strategically place where I want these and then fill it in. Does that make sense? Because if I drizzle all this over here and it happens to be runny, these are gonna be sliding everywhere. I guess I could also do like a section at a time as well. Okay. I think I'll just start putting some in the center here. Okay, ooh, I love that color. Are you kidding me? That's beautiful. Should have probably put this upside down for a little bit. And I'm also realizing that I don't have my favorite item, the toothpick. I have to get one of those to help kind of direct the resin where I want it to go. Let's bring you in closer. So it doesn't really appear to be super runny, so that's cool. It's kind of just testing that spot, but it appears to be holding up kind of nicely. So maybe we should experiment with doing more before curing it. Very bubbly though. I think I'm gonna have this side drip down a little and maybe put one of the maggots there. And then cure that, perhaps. If I could even grab it, there we go. It did kind of thin out in certain spots, so I might go back and add to it and just make some drips as well. I'm kind of torn because on the picture it shows real thick, and then on the other, well, I guess the instructions just shows it kind of thick. And then on the picture, it doesn't, like, at all. So I can't decide. There's not really a good picture of it to see how I like it. I'm gonna cure that, I think. I think I'm gonna add a drip coming off of this one and going down pretty far, and then I'll put another maggot down there. Kind of like that. And of course I have to pop the bubbles. And I always tilt it back so it doesn't run that easily. And then we'll put maybe one hanging off like that. I think that's cute. I don't really know what my other intentions are. I guess we'll just do various drizzles. I feel like you can't really add too much to this, or I don't know, just be too much. Like, that's nice and simple, and maybe I don't know. I don't know if I want another spider.
One more spider.
One more? Where should I put it? Right there. That's what I was kind of thinking. Okay, so we have lots of bugs left over. Guess you can also put them like on the platter and stuff too. Here's the final product. And then we can put it in here. Of course, I guess you can also decorate the tray it's in, put resin at the bottom and stick bugs in there too. That would be cool. But, did I have this upside down? That would make a lot of sense. There we go. But yeah, still plenty of room to decorate it if you want to do that. And then this goes over it. I like this handle. I think that looks really cute. So what do you guys think? I think that's a cool one. It's a lot of glare with that on, so it's hard to see, but yeah, I like it. Could always stick it down with a glue dot or something so it doesn't slide around or move if you drop it. But nice, simple, and easy build. You can also keep it on there if you wanted even. A couple different options. Lots of leftover bugs. We have these, and then there's even some in here as well. So that's good for repurposing. But other than that, that's all I have for this video. I will locate the other ones as soon as I find them in store, and I'll either do individual videos, or if I'm lucky enough to find the two I'm missing and then the rare all in one go, then I'll probably just make one video with that since they're all really short builds. But that's what I have for you today. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this one and which one you're looking most forward to. Like I said, other than the rare, this is the one that I was looking most forward to. So glad to have it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.